There! Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that Windows users often encounter when dealing with updates. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to select which updates to download and install on Windows 10, like you used on Windows XP? Let's dig into this issue and find a solution that works for you. In the solution provided, you can prevent specific updates from being installed on your Windows 10 system by using the GUI tool called Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter. You have the ability to choose which updates you want to skip. Additionally, you can defer updates or selectively install Windows OS updates while ignoring others. Third-party tools like ONO Shutup 10++ can also assist in managing update settings in one place, making the process more convenient. Now, let's recap the solution we explored today. By utilizing tools such as Show or Hide Updates Troubleshooter and third-party software like ONO Shutup 10++, you can take control of your Windows 10 update preferences. Remember, while it's possible to stop updates completely through various means, it's generally not advisable to do so, as essential security and serviceability updates could be missed. And with that, I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech problems you'd like us to solve next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy updating!